Now we are going to change the appearance of the tire using edit decal. So when you're editing decal, make sure that you have already downloaded a picture. Like for instance, I want this picture, so I have to save as image, okay, and then save. So it's already there, save, okay. Now we are going to use that image to change the appearance of our tire of our car. So to do this, we go to the main menu. We got here photo view 360, and then we got edit decal, right? So we are going to browse on that downloaded picture, which is this one. Okay, now it's already here. So we go to mapping and then select this space. All right. Once it's selected, we have to take out first this outside, and then we are going to select all the faces of the tire. Okay, all, to select all. All right. All right, once all even this side, we select them all. Okay. All right, same thing here. Select them all. Okay. So once all are selected, okay, this one not yet selected. Okay, we select. All right, we can now bring in this into the middle of the center not yet selected. You have to select also. Okay. Now once it's already selected, we put in this exactly on the middle. Okay. So we put on the middle and then we expand to cover all the tires. All right, and then we can also rotate to align the spoke. Okay, once we are sure that it's already on the center and all is set, then we can check okay. All right, so this is now the finished product. So we got one there unselected. Okay.